Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We are going to be testing this Mk18 Ngrs. This is a level 9 build with a custom PTS grip attached there. We've got RHOP setup, we've got a gate basic Titan, Laylax Trigger Pin on the side, Tokyo Marine Cobalt stronger motor. We've got the EagleSix upgraded Recoil spring, Prometheus Gears, Prometheus hot rubber, Prometheus barrel, Prometheus bearings, Prometheus spring guide, Prometheus piston head, Prometheus cylinder head, Prometheus cylinder, Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus Tappet plate, Prometheus Selector plate, EagleSix main spring. We've got EagleSix hop arm and to go with the RHOP, and we've got EagleSix flat nub. So yeah, it's fairly loaded, and what I've done is, even though we won't be sending it, just to be clear, with this stock, I've just put it on there cosmetically, so you can see sort of the overall look that the customer's going for with the gun. It just makes it look nicer for testing, even though there's a battery dangling out the back. So yeah, I'll say level 9 build with upgraded motor and MOSFET system attached, because obviously people can choose level 1 with MOSFET and motor, or they can choose level 5 or level 9, you know. So this is obviously fully loaded with the MOSFET and the motor. And then obviously just for those people out there that are perusing and trying to decide on their own ones. So we've got 269 feet per second on 0.32s. So yeah, hopefully that's good. Solid FPS there, and yeah, we're ready for testing, and yeah, hopefully going to be all good. So we're just going to video it now, just demonstrate it working, although I'm running out of actual ammo. So we've got no more BBs in the building. So obviously lovely and snappy there, and obviously got that real positive immersion kick, you know, immersive kick, you know, as it fires. It feels really great, very enjoyable to shoot. I'll just demonstrate it working on full auto now. There we go. So excellent build, obviously really high spec, and yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise have lots of fun. Thank you.